What's going on YouTube? This is Chris at the Patriot RC channel. Got another fcx24 video coming up for you here. It's going to be a short one, but this is just a tire mod. So we're swapping out the stock tires for some Amazon beadlocks. These are in Jura. These are a Christmas special. They're actually fairly nice. I just gave them a wash and a quick soak in Simple Green, and man, are they sticky. So they grip nice. Sorry about the camera angles here, but yeah, they grip really nice. I got other tires coming. These are just those Hydrix knockoffs, or Hyrax knockoffs, sorry. But anyway, so what I did with these beadlocks, I got them together, and then my other video on the lead weights I was telling you about for wheel weights, this is what I did. So I hammered these down flat and then trimmed them up to where they fit on the inserts. And then I just got some, was it the E6000? No, this was the, yeah, it was the E6000 glue. And just put a little bit of glue on the insert and put them on before I drop the damn thing. So that's that. Now, the problem I see a few people having is these studs are really long and they get spacers for the back. And I've seen some people do washers and stuff here in the front. But I recently had a Enduro Gatekeeper build. And these are the 2mm spacers you get with the spacer kit. And so the 2mm spacers, picked up here. I'm trying to do this on camera. You see what I'm doing? Nope, I missed it. Let's try it again. So we get that on there. There it is. And that fits perfect. Absolutely perfect there. Now it doesn't look beautiful, but considering the nut that goes on top of it is black as well, that's not horrible. But you don't have to worry about sinking the nut all the way down in there to get it tight. That was the problem I had originally, and I thought there's got to be a better way. So yeah, I just got those spacers on and threw them on there. So I've also did a few other mods on this. I will put that on a video later on. I'm going to try to get a few videos knocked out today. So yeah, if you guys like it, hey, it doesn't hurt to subscribe. It's always a helpful thing for small YouTube channels here. So like, subscribe, leave a comment. What have you guys done to your fcx24s to get beadlocks on? Yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Thanks.